continuing on, we're talking to Ross, who is a very hardworking young man, and he's enjoying his job. What's very important is
Yes.
it is difficult to enjoy your job, right? But you have a real good job. I mean,
Yes.
traveling, eating, and then you meet a lot of good people.
People.
That's really wonderful.
It
So,
is.
what makes you work hard? I mean, how do you develop that trait?
Well, always thinking of the family back home because, so we can sustain them to keep them afloat,
That's right.
to pay the bills and everything, to kids still in the school.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so that makes me, feel like always energetic
Right.
in the morning.
And what about the public relations? It's very important, right?
Yes.
How do you relate to people? How do you develop that?
Well, as I can say, I'm working in way back before in the Philippines in Diamond Hotel. I saw lots of guests as well, international guests. And then when I come here, the additional thing is the people working here is different nationality.
That's
So
right. Yes, yes.
I adapt that. I adapt that attitude to respect and always talk with the friendly tone of voice.
That's correct. And
Yes.
always be positive, huh?
Positive, yeah.
Whatever happens. That's right.
Yes, whatever happened.
Yes. Are you able to cook your own food here too?
No,
Oh, you cannot.
we can buy,
I
but
see.
it depends on the ship where we are, because sometimes they don't want to get the food contaminated. So
I
from
see.
from outside to come here.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
So they're
Yes,
very strict
yes,
on
yes,
that one.
Yes.
So
Tell me, Ross, what's your favorite food here?
favorite food. There's a Filipino food as well here, but I like the salad and everything.
Oh, okay.
The
So
vegetable salad.
you eat healthy.
Well, for me to continue this kind of job, you need to be
be
healthy.
That's correct.
So that's
Yeah.
why I eat most of the time fish and then
Very
the
good.
salad, the vegetable salad.
Mm-hmm.
If I have pastry, I can
Yes,
get some
with
ice
it.
cream in Sunday. Every
Yes,
Sunday
sometimes.
we
Yes,
have
yes.
Sunday ice cream.
Yes, yes. And what's the entertainment? Your favorite entertainment here?
Entertainment, there's a crew bingo, there's a crew tour.
Yes.
There's but the crew tour before, now it's a little bit conflict in our schedule. But when I was a cleaner, I'm always go to the crew tour.
Oh.
Yes, because I started cleaner here.
Yes. Ross, what's your advice to travelers, for example, because you've met a lot of travelers? What's very important, and I'm sure you encounter so many people. What would be, a
For the
good way-
guests?
Yes.
Well, you're always welcome in Azamara, and then
But what are your tips, your advice for them?
advice for them, just relax, enjoy, and then do go outside always
That's right.
in every port. So we taking care of the room, no problem. The food is already prepared in the restaurant, so just relax, because this is the time that you prepared to be relaxed.
Yeah. Finally, what's your advice, especially to the young people? Yes,
To
what's your
young people
advice to
like-
be successful and also to have a good job like you?
Well, first of all, if they studying right now, so they finish their schooling,
That's
so they get a find good job, so they could have traveling without hesitating that their financial
That's
thing.
correct. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
So much better they go to the school and finish their study.
That's right.
Yes.
Any, would you say right now, do you have any people you would like to greet?
Well, I want to greet my friends, my relatives in LA. I don't know which part of LA, but I saw in her map was Arroyo Grande. I don't know where is that. Nancy Carey, in some part of San Diego. I have a friend in Chula Vista, Christian Mendieta, and then in LA, Caballero family.
All right.
And Watt family.
All right. And family back home too.
Yeah, family
right?
back home as
Of
well.
course, that's
I
right.
love them. That's the reason why I'm here.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's a good end for Ross' interview today. Good luck to you.
Thank
We
you.
wish you good health and continued success.
Yes, thank you very much.
Ross is an interview here on Public Affairs. I will be saying goodbye for now. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.
May God bless you.
God bless you. Thank you.